Hello. So this is the Moustache Hostel in Jaipur. And this is the private luxury room. And you know what? When I booked it, I said, is there a second chair in there? And he said, no. But look what he did. He provided us one chair here and a lovely chair here. So this has been awesome. We also have a fridge, and we didn't do it, but you can actually make your own ice out of clean water in here, which is great. They do provide you with free water the whole time, so that's okay. This is a safe. We never used it because, quite frankly, it's portable. So when you have something like, you could put it in there if you wanted to, but you know what I would do? Hide it somewhere in your luggage. We didn't find it dangerous or we didn't worry about someone stealing our stuff because we found people very honest here. Okay, and of course, this is our coffee station. And we don't have the cream out right now, but we make our own coffee in the morning. And we have cream that's amazing. We've talked about it before. Okay. This is our bed. And I have to tell you, the pillows are the biggest, fluffiest, firm pillows I've ever slept on. So you can hang your clothes up. Each side has its own power and bedside lamp, so you can plug in your charging stations or your phone, whatever you need to do as long as you have the right converter. Okay, so this is the bathroom. It's actually a very modern bathroom. It has a rain shower. It has a clean your feet or put water in a bucket. It has a lovely toilet and a bum gun. And it has a hair dryer, which is great. And a lovely sink and mirror. So, as you can see, the shower was no good for me. So my lovely husband, Dean, who's on the other side of this film, had to wash my hair in the sink with our bar of soap we get from Lush, isn't it? Yes, and then we can carry it. If you use carry-on, you can use it because it's not a liquid, and it's amazing. So, this is our room at the Moustache Hostel in Jaipur. And we do have, we are going to show you what it looks like upstairs, and the pool, which is not a lap pool or anything. It's a pool you can go into and probably sit in it and just cool off a bit. Yes, and the restaurant, and we got room service many times here, and it was amazing. So thank you so much for joining us at the Moustache Hostel in Jaipur. We are Ellie and Dean exploring. Upstairs, sir.
How you doing?